In this video, we're going to combine a couple of ideas we've just previously learned. We're going to look at simplifying and gathering surds together. Now, what we could do here is we could sit here and work out both root 72 and root 18 by using the splitting method that we did before. However, these are exam favourites. These usually come with a clue. Now, the clue in this is the root 2, the one that's been simplified already. We know that root 2 doesn't simplify any further. This is one of our very basic surds. And what I'm going to suggest is, let's see whether we can turn the other two surds into something times root 2 and see whether these two numbers will cancel down to give us a simplified surd. Okay? So, root 72, well, 2 times something is 72. Half of 72 then is 36. And half of 18 is 9. Now 36 and 9 are both square numbers, so we can take the square root of both of them. So I can rewrite this as being 6 root 2 plus 3 root 2 minus, this becomes 3 root 2. Straightforward enough. 6 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is 9 root 2. Take away 3 root 2 is 6 root 2. Okay. Our second example here, same idea. Something root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus root something root 3, because the root 3 in here is the clue. So 3 9s make 27 and 3 16s make 48. So this becomes 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 4 root 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 4 is 5 root 3. Now, whenever you're doing this at exam standard level, they're usually worth 3 marks. You get 1 mark for simplifying that down to 6 root 2, 1 for simplifying 3 root 2, and 1 for getting your final answer. Similarly here, the 3 root 3, the 4 root 3, and the 5 root 3. Now, be aware this isn't always going to work. You could have examples where you've got, let's say, root 50 plus 7 root 2 minus root 27. So the clue here is the root 2. So we check to see whether we can make this root something root 2 plus 7 root 2 minus root something root 2. Well, that's straightforward enough. Half of 50 is 25. But we can't divide this by 2. Well, we can, but it's not going to give us a whole number. So 2 isn't going to work at this point here. We need to come up with something alternative, okay? Now, we know, or hopefully we know, how to simplify the surd down. So we can have a look at 27. 1 times 27, 2 times, oh, 2 doesn't work, sorry, 3 times 9, and that was our lot. We proved that in the last video. We said that 9 was the biggest square number, so we rewrote it with these two numbers, root 9, root 3. So we've now got 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2 minus 3 root 3. And just like we did when we were doing the gathering surds video, we can gather these two together because they've both got the same surd, but this one must remain separate because it does not have the same number under the square root. So 5 root 2 plus 7 root 2 is 12 root 2 minus 3 root 3. That is as far as you can go. You cannot combine these at all. Okay? There is your final answer. Try some for yourself. Thank you.